Hey, what's up guys, it's Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's short video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my maintenance plan on this F350 work truck that we do every 2 weeks. So come check it out with us. This truck looks pretty much the same or in worse condition every 2 weeks. So it is a work truck, so they're using it all the time. So first step is going to be get the whole interior blown out. We want to get all the cracks and crevices, and I usually do it with 2 hands, but you know, I'm recording, trying to show you guys, so I'm just using one here. But blow the whole thing out, dashboard, all that. If you don't have air compressor, you can use a blower, but air compressors are nice. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our interior cleaner, start spraying it all down, wiping it down, and using brushes if you need to. But usually with our maintenance plan on these trucks, we don't really have to get the brushes out. We just do spray and wipe down. The interior cleaner we are using is our Tony's Professional Touch wipe down cleaner. It leaves a satin finish, UV protection, and it smells really great. We go ahead and wipe down the seats thoroughly as well. Try to get in all the cracks and crevices. Now you got to remember, this is our maintenance package, so we're not trying to do a full interior detail here. This is just simply wipe down and get the interior looking refreshed, but not brand new. It's not necessarily going to be brand new again. It's just trying to keep it as clean as possible within the client's budget. Now we follow up with our interior protectant. So this is going to leave a sheen on the interior. It is water-based, so it's not going to be super slippery. We spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, let it dwell, and then we get a microfiber towel and wipe over it. This is going to get all the interior plastic pieces looking refreshed. Since you can tell right there, after we did the interior cleaner, they look kind of dried out and the mud stains, so it just looks all dirty. So we're going to put this protection. It also makes it easier to clean up on the next time. And that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching.